start again. It's a rich thing.
Hi, I'm Chihiro Fernando, and I'll be taking you along the journey of my project. My concept for this project is Fish and Fishermen. I'm from Negombo, and it is well known for its fishing market. I, as a vegetarian, was keen to know more about this. I went to the fish market to do my primary research. These are my photography, as you can see. I have created illustrations and prints inspired by my photography, and I did much more research on crabs and fish caught under nets. When we started our project, we had partners to work with. My partner's concept was about viruses, so I brought in her concept, since we had to have a link in our projects by viruses passing into humans through food. Then my research led me into overfishing, which is due to mostly because of trawling and how unwanted sea creatures get caught, which leads to extinction. Trawling also damages coral reefs, so I did my research on it and created prints as well. For my garments, I was inspired by functional clothing of fishermen from different countries. Here, first what I did was I researched about American fishermen. They wore dungarees, which were waterproof. Secondly, I was inspired by the Chinese fishermen garments. I did a lot of development drawings and experimental silhouette drawings, and I also linked my inspiration with catwalk images. Then I did about England fishermen, which were mostly about the women, what they wore, and I repeated the same development method linking catwalk images. And here it's about Korean fishermen and about female Korean divers. I repeated the same development method. Next I did about Japanese fishermen, about the vintage clothing when they wore back in the day, and did a lot of development and experimental garment drawings inspired by the vintage garment. And here, as you can see, it's a Japanese fishermen wear it's a polythene jacket which is waterproof, and I was inspired by that as well. This is my muse drawing, and this is my brand board, and this is Nanushka Autumn Winter 2020. This is my color story for my color board and for my fabric. So this is, as what you can see, are the selected colors, and for my thread and my fabrics I made sure I used factory waste because sustainability is key. This is my Birulu handmade lace. The Birulu was done with equipments around the house, with nails and a pillow that I had because I had no access to actual equipment. And these are my attempts to illustrate my final lineup. This is my portfolio, which I named it as Ensna, which is a Spring-Summer 2021 collection. Ensna is the synonym for trapped, which is very suitable for my project because fish getting trapped and humans getting trapped with viruses and illnesses and much more. I thought Ensna was the best name for my collection. Here are my development pages I have developed with my vintage garments along with inspiration from catwalk images. This is my brand board. Nanushka was my brand that I was inspired by. And this is my muse development, Su Lin. She is not a real person. She's an adventurous 23-year-old girl who's really into fashion. She is a fashion model herself. And this is my color board made out of my color story. This is my fabric board. All of these fabric are factory waste. This is my print development developed out of the primary research. Here is my final print board, and this is my Birulu heritage craft that I did with my household equipment, and these are the samples. From the frameless technique, I developed my Birulu design digitally, as you can see over here. This is my final lineup, and all the 6 looks are here. Here is the technical flat drawings. For each and every look, I have labeled the specific parts of the garment so that it's easier to understand. This is my range plan for each and every look. In my range plan, I have included the original look, the front and the back for a better understanding, and also for my range plan, I have used various colors and different prints. And at last but not least, I ended my portfolio with this mood illustration to sum up my story, Ends Now. Hope you found this video valuable. Thank you for watching.